Okie dokie, so here we go. We're going to now use exponential functions in application problems. So we're going to do one application problem. I'm going to read it to you, so I'm going to write down the information. So here's what they give us. They say the half-life of radium-226 is 1620 years. So we'll write that down. So half-life of, radium-226 is 1620 years. It says a sample having 1 gram of radium-226. So we're looking at a sample, right? 1 gram. So a sample contains 1 gram of radium-226. Says the amount A sub t in grams of radium-226 present after t years is given by the following function. All right, so they give us that function. It says how much radium-226 will be present after 1620 years. Okay, well, so here's the thing. So after 1620 years, so t equals 1620, so A 1620 equals 1/2, and so it would be 1620 over 1620, which equals 1/2 to the 1 power, which equals 1/2, and of course it's grams, so we'll have 1/2 gram. Okay, so, and it makes sense because the half-life is 1620 years, so the half-life means that every 1620 years you'll have half of the substance remaining. So in this case here, you'll have half of the amount of radium-226 that you started with. Since we started with 1 gram, after 1620 years, you'll have 1/2 gram. That says, okay, what about 3240? What about 3,240 years? Well, if you notice, 3,240 is double 1620, so it's another 1620 years. So basically this is 2 half-lives. Well, if we just plug it in, watch what happens. So we get 3240 over 1620, and of course we get 1/2 raised to the 2nd power, which gives us 1/4, right? So that makes sense again, because if we started with 1/2, right? Let's say 1620 years passes by, we have 1/2 gram, and then another 1620 years goes by, then we'll have half of that, which is 1/4. And then of course, the next one is 4,860, which is 1 more half-life. So this is basically 3 half-lives. So guess what? In this case here, it'll be 1/8, right? But let's plug it in just to verify. So 4,860 over 1620, that'll give us 1/2 raised to the 3rd power, which gives us 1/8 of a gram. So that is the answer. Not bad. All right, so next we'll do a video dealing with technology connection, how to look at the technology behind this on the calculator.